This is probably the most powerful system in all of trading right now, and it's probably one of the most profitable systems, and definitely the most sophisticated and one of the easiest. Okay, and I'll put it up against anybody, tag them, and tell them to come and trade against my system, and I almost guarantee you I will beat every single system that anybody has set up, whether automated or manual. Obviously, mine is almost fully automated, and this is how you can actually do it. I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to explain to you exactly how this system works and how to use it, and it's going to populate on your chart within seconds. Zero manual charting, zero guesswork, clear entry criteria, clear exit criteria, clear stop loss criteria, clear confluence criteria, removes your emotions, saves you time, makes your trading so easy by just combining a couple of very simple things and very simple concepts that I'm going to explain to you in this video. So if you are already subscribed to this, this is exactly how you're going to use it. If you're not, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get this system and how you can use it. You can model it for yourself. You can do it for free if you want to. You don't have to automate it like I have, but I would suggest doing that. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. But in any case, I'm still going to give you the system, whether you want to use the indicators that make that system work 24/7, 365 on any chart, any time frame, at any time, any session, on any asset. Prove me wrong. I'm going to show it to you right now. So the first thing that I want to explain to you, order blocks, okay? Now, before we get into the charts, actually, I'm going to show you what it looks like really quick. This is what order blocks look like on the chart, order blocks and fair value gaps, okay? This is your order block, okay? This is also an order block, okay? This is your order block, okay? Kind of see where I'm going with it, right? And then there are these things called fair value gaps, and this right here is a fair value gap where it is attached to this order block. So it gives you clear, now you kind of understand what they are, okay? I'm going to explain to you what an order block is and not just what it looks like. What an order block is where institutions have positioned themselves in the past, okay? This is where there are blocks of orders from institutions that are still sitting there. This is where their average prices are. This is where a big block of orders came in before a big displacement move in the opposite direction, whether it's up or down, and institutions have left orders behind, or at the very least, they have made their, what we would call almost average entry at that level, meaning that if you return to that level, they are going to be much more likely to defend that level, and price will likely bounce from or reject, essentially reversing from that level. So you're going to be able to spot reversals. And I'm going to show you how to stack confluence on top of this, because this strategy is super easy. And all you have to do is look at your chart and it's going to show you. You're going to have three criteria to enter. One, there's got to be an order block or order block set there, okay? And then two, you're going to be looking for a swing failure pattern to happen inside of that order block or fair value gap. And then three, you could look for, and this is not required, so it's really two criteria. But the third thing that's not necessarily required, but it's very helpful, and it's one of the highest probability setups you're ever going to see, and I'm going to show you on the chart, is if there is a naked level inside of that order block. Whether it's a naked VWAP or a naked point of control, doesn't matter. If you have them both, even better. It's going to make your trade easier, but all of that's going to populate on your chart in 5 seconds. It's super awesome. So in any case, I'm going to show you a trade that we actually took, which is this trade right here. And it was very simple criteria, right? It's very simple: entry, exit, stop loss, all of that criteria, okay? Now I'm going to walk you through this trade because we entered here, and then obviously full take profit was right here at this order block set. So what happened? Well, we had our order blocks, okay? And as you can see, whenever you come into these order blocks, price reacts. After these order blocks come in, boom, price reacts, it moves down. Then the order blocks were created. What happened? You entered it, price moved down. Order block created. What happened? You entered it, price moved down. Then you moved all the way down here, and you moved back into that order block set. Bang. Guess what happened? Price then moved down and targeted the order blocks below it. That's exactly what happened. We took that trade. It was absolutely perfect. Now, there was other reasons why we took this trade. It wasn't just based on the order blocks. Now, I want to point you to alpha structure. This is where you're going to find your swing failure patterns, okay? Now, the best case scenario is you get a double swing failure pattern inside of this order block. But if you just get one, No big deal, perfectly fine. So look at this. Swing failure pattern into the order block, right? And then bang, look what happened. Massive, massive push down. Then look what happened. You got double swing failure patterns at the bottom, pushed up, double swing failure patterns at the top, pushed down, double swing failure patterns at the bottom, pushed back up, okay? So this is why you're gonna get like really, really good entry and exit criteria. Now, what was the entry and exit criteria here? Well, it was simply this. You get a swing failure pattern into that order block, you enter at the beginning of the order block, and then you place your stop loss outside of the top of the order block. Then what do? You target the next order block down, which would have probably been either right here or right around here. That is a 7x risk reward. So not only do you have your clear entry criteria, but you also have your clear exit criteria, and you also have your clear stop loss criteria. So exit criteria, stop loss criteria. Very simple, very cut and dry. Now let's talk about this other trade that we were just talking about. This one right here. Same entry criteria. You enter at the order block, your stop loss is outside of the order block, and then you're targeting, guess what? The order block below you. And you got that exit 2 times in a row, and you were absolutely profitable. 9.56x risk to reward. That means you could have lost 9 trades in a row, and on your 10th trade, you would have still been break even or profitable. Absolutely insane, dude. Absolutely insane. This system absolutely kills it. So your best criteria and your best entry is going to be when you get those swing failure patterns like we did here into those order block sets. And then when you get those double swing failure patterns at the bottoms, right down here, you swing failed those lows, boom. And then guess what you're targeting? The order block set above. Now, is every time you're gonna get right to it? No, not every single time, but a lot of times you're gonna go straight to those order blocks. Okay, now, why did we enter here? This is where the confluence comes in, all right? This is all done with a set of indicators. All you need is alpha structure and order block suite to pick out that trade that we just talked about and this trade over here, and even this trade at the bottom, this trade at the bottom, right? That's all you needed. But what I wanna show you is called naked POC suite and naked VWAP suite. Now this is gonna look crazy because I'm showing you the back-tested levels, okay? Look what happened whenever we actually came into this order block set again. You smacked into a naked weekly VWAP level that had not been retested, and you got it right inside of that order block set and then rejected. That is a third layer of confluence. Whenever I'm looking to enter this, okay, great. This VWAP had 151,000 in volume on it. I know that if we take that out inside of a high volume order block set, which this one was, 12,000 in volume on this, right? I know that if we take that out, I have a higher probability of this trade playing out and going down than I do if we don't actually have a naked level inside of there. Now, there's 2 different naked levels that you could have inside of there. You could have a naked weekly or a naked daily, naked yearly, whatever. You could have a naked VWAP on any time frame, or you could have a naked point of control, again, on any time frame. And when you see that happen all at the same time, it's almost like your perfect trade setup for you to say, yep, I know I'm gonna enter right here, I'm going to place my stop loss right here, and I'm gonna exit at the order block set that is below us. It's one of the easiest and simplest systems that you can have. Even just take away alpha structure, okay? Just take it away. And let's just go to a random chart. Let's go to, say, I don't know, Bitcoin, okay? Let's go to Bitcoin. Let me show you how this plays out on Bitcoin. Whenever you have these order block sets, and we'll zoom in, this was an order block set that you created right here, right? Very simple, very easy to see. I don't think it's really hard for anybody to see that order block set. You pushed away from it, then what happened? You came right into it, pushed away again, came back up to it for a second entry, pushed away from it, boom, boom, and then guess what? You created another order block set right here, then entered it here, pushed away, entered it again, and look at that massive push. This is actually a trade that we took inside of the micro Bitcoin futures. I can show it to you. And we absolutely are crushing it on this trade because we caught the absolute top on this. It was insane. Look at this. I'll show you the exact same entry and exit criteria that we took here, where we came into an order block set, we fully mitigated that order block set, and watch this. If you look at alpha structure and then you look at the naked POC suite, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. We came into this order block set and we absolutely smashed into it, and then guess what happened? Naked daily POC got hit from way back here. Now we got to zoom a little bit further out in order for you to be able to see this naked daily POC. But we did get a naked level from all the way over here that got hit right whenever we came in to that range and started to think about entering our short position, okay? Second to that, there was a order block that was right up here. This works on every single asset, every single time frame. And as you can see, you enter, you hit those order blocks, you hit this order block here, you hit this order block here, you hit it here, and you just start targeting the order block set that is below you in order for you to actually get your exit criteria. It's a pretty simple system and it works extremely well. Look at this one, right? You entered the order block and then guess what? You never looked back. You could have caught that entire trend before anybody else was talking about it, okay? Also, same thing here. You smacked into that order block's fair value gap. You could have caught that entire trend just based off of one indicator, and that is it. So whenever you see these order blocks happening, and then you turn on alpha structure, and you get swing failure patterns on whatever time frame it is, whatever asset it is, happening inside of those order blocks, and then you look and you turn on your naked POC suite or your naked VWAP suite or both, and you see naked levels at those order blocks when those swing failure patterns are happening inside of those order blocks, it is like your perfect entry criteria. And then you have a clear stop loss, you have a clear entry, and you have a clear take profit and exit criteria based off of one system, and it all populates on your chart in less than 10 seconds. Absolutely insane. Go check it out. Go try it out. You are going to absolutely kill it. I've not seen anybody be unprofitable with this system. It would literally be harder for you to be unprofitable with this system than it is to be profitable. It's super easy because it shows you everything on your chart and it's so easily laid out. You see the swing failure patterns happen. All there is a triangle above the candle that shows pointing down and it says bearish swing failure pattern, or there's a triangle below the candle and it says bullish swing failure pattern and it's a blue triangle. It's very simple. The order blocks, they're literally just boxes, and when they're stacked on top of each other, you have a confluence bubble that tells you what order blocks are there and how much volume there is at them. And then if you want to turn on your naked POC and naked daily, weekly, monthly, yearly VWAP suite, right? It's going to plot those levels on your chart for you like that. And say there's a naked weekly level in between you and where your next order block is, pay attention to that level when you get to it. It's a clear entry and exit criteria. So I challenge you to go and try these out. They're absolutely powerful. Let me know what you think about it in the comments section below. Peace.